Android 16's here to fix your fingerprint scanner woes with a game-changing update. Want to rename and manage your saved fingerprints like a pro? Stick around to see how this boosts your privacy. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. If you're pumped for smarter Android features, hit that like button and subscribe to GadInsider for more tech updates. Let's dive into Android 16's fingerprint scanner glow-up. Android users, rejoice! Android 16 is bringing a much-needed upgrade to fingerprint scanners, spotted in the first Android 16 QPR1 Beta preview. For years, managing fingerprints was a hassle. You could only add or delete them, but now you can check and rename all enrolled fingerprints right from your security settings. Just tap to see every saved fingerprint on your device, making it super easy to know where prints are stored. This feature, already a hit on Samsung's One UI, lets you personalize fingerprints like left thumb or a spouse's finger, so you can quickly decide what stays or goes. It's a small tweak with big privacy perks, catching Android up to rival systems like iOS. And it's not just for Pixel phones. This update will roll out to tons of Android devices, from Samsung to Xiaomi. Plus, Android 16 is packing other goodies, especially for Pixel owners, like smoother performance and new customization options. Wanna try it? The feature is in Android 16's beta now, with a full rollout expected later in 2025. Head to your security settings to check it out if you're on the beta. Android 16 is making your phone more secure and user-friendly than ever. How will you name your fingerprints? Drop your ideas in the comments. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell to stay in the loop with GadInsider for more tech news. Subscribe for more tech and gadget updates, and check out these videos for the latest trends.